Join me as I dive into the GoPro Hero 13 Black and challenge myself to uncover 10 essential features you need to know. The GoPro Hero 13 Black has been generating a lot of buzz in the action camera market, and for good reason. With its impressive specs and innovative features, it's no wonder many are considering it as their top choice for capturing their next adventure. In this video, I'll be covering the 10 essential features of the GoPro Hero 13 Black that make it stand out from the competition. When it comes to choosing an action camera, there are several challenges that users often face. One of the biggest concerns is durability. Can the camera withstand rough handling in harsh environments? Another key factor is image quality. Will the camera produce crisp, clear footage that truly captures the essence of your adventure? And let's not forget about ease of use. How easy is it to navigate the camera's settings and features? These are just a few of the common challenges that users face, and the GoPro Hero 13 Black aims to address each and every one of them. For many users, the biggest concern is the risk of damage. Whether you're surfing, biking, or skydiving, the last thing you want is for your camera to fail you in the midst of the action. The GoPro Hero 13 Black boasts an impressive rugged design that can withstand even the toughest conditions, giving you peace of mind as you capture your most epic moments. Another key challenge is getting the perfect shot. We've all been there. You're in the middle of an amazing experience, and you want to make sure you capture it from the best angle possible. The GoPro Hero 13 Black features an advanced GPS system that allows you to track your route and locate your footage with ease, making it simpler than ever to relive your favorite moments. The GoPro Hero 13 Black also boasts an intuitive touchscreen interface that makes it easy to navigate through the camera's settings and features. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a beginner, you'll be able to quickly and easily adjust the camera's settings to suit your needs. Let's dive into each of the 10 essential features of the GoPro Hero 13 Black. First up is the camera's impressive 5.3K video resolution, which delivers incredibly sharp and clear footage. Next is the advanced Hyper-Smooth 4.0 stabilization system, which ensures that your footage is silky smooth even in the most turbulent conditions. The camera also features a 20-megapixel sensor that captures stunning still images, as well as a built-in microphone that delivers crystal-clear audio. The GoPro Hero 13 Black also boasts an impressive live streaming feature, which allows you to broadcast your adventures in real time to your favorite platforms. And with the camera's advanced Wi-Fi capabilities, you can easily transfer your footage to your smartphone or computer for quick editing and sharing. One of the most impressive features of the GoPro Hero 13 Black is its incredible slow-motion capabilities. With the ability to capture footage at up to 240 frames per second, you'll be able to relive your most epic moments in stunning slow-motion detail. Imagine being able to capture the perfect surf shot, or the thrill of a high-speed bike ride, in slow motion. It's an absolute game-changer. The GoPro Hero 13 Black also features an innovative vertical mode that allows you to capture footage in portrait orientation, perfect for social media sharing. And with the camera's advanced TimeWarp feature, you can speed up your footage to create stunning time lapses that showcase your adventure in a whole new way. But the most impressive feature of the GoPro Hero 13 Black has to be its incredible 8x slow motion feature. This feature allows you to capture footage at an incredible 1080p resolution, with a staggering 8x slowdown effect. The result is truly breathtaking. Imagine being able to relive your most epic moments in stunning slow-motion detail. In conclusion, the GoPro Hero 13 Black is an absolute powerhouse of an action camera, packed with innovative features and advanced technology that make it the perfect choice for capturing your next adventure. With its impressive 5.3K video resolution, advanced Hyper-Smooth 4.0 stabilization, and incredible slow-motion capabilities, this camera truly has it all. Thanks for watching, and I'd love to hear your thoughts on the GoPro Hero 13 Black in the comments below. If you're looking for more insights into action cameras, be sure to check out my other video reviews for more